Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa akin channel, and ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo You've Got a Friend by James Taylor. Requested to ni Robert Mantino. Salamat sa iyong suporta and sana may matutunan ka sa tutorial ko ngayon. Nasa standard tuning tayo and gumamit ako ng capo on 2nd fret. Let's start! So, first part ng kanta is the intro. May tabs akong nilagay sa screen and sana ma-follow nyo. So, ibig sabihin ng nasa first is number 3, which means is 6th string, 3rd fret. So, and then next is the 0. Okay? So, madali naman yung basahin yung tabs. And then, pag may nakita kayong magka-inline yung numbers niya, ibig sabihin sabay nyo yung pipindutin. Okay? So, ulitin ko. So, sa first part ng G at saka C is hindi siya sabay. Okay? Talagang plucking pattern siya. So, dahan-dahanin ko para mag-gets nyo yung ginawa ko. So, meron namang guide. So, sana makuha nyo. So, dahan-dahan pa. Next part is the verse. Yung chord na ginamit ko is E minor. Next chord is B7. Next is balik ulit sa E minor. Passing chord to B7 to E minor to E minor 7. Okay. So pwede rin yung E minor 7 natin is ganito lang. Or dito. Next chord, after nung passing chord ng E minor 7, A minor 7. Next is D7 suspended to D7. And the next chord is G7 suspended 4 to G9. Okay. So, let's try. When you're down and trouble and you need a helping hand. Next part is the Prechorus. Yung chord na ginamit ko is F sharp minor 7. Next is B7. Next is a passing chord E minor, B7, E minor, E minor 7. Or this one. Next chord A minor 7. Next B minor 7 to D suspended, D7 suspended. And then after that chord is meron siyang chromatic na chords ng D to C. It's a bass chord lang yung gagamitin. To B and A. Okay, so let's try. close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there. Even if you. So yan. After the pre-chorus is the chorus part. So yung chord na ginamit ko is the G. Next is G major 7. Next is the C. Next chord, A minor 7 to D7 suspended. Next, balik ulit sa G. G major 7. D suspended. Para siyang D suspended to D7 to D9 to D7. So, parang passing chord ng D7 suspended. And then, after that, balik ulit sa G. And then, G major 7. Next is C to E minor. Next chord is C. And then, next is G over B to D7 suspended. You just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running, see you again. Okay? Winter, spring, summer, and fall, and all you got to do is wrong, and I'll be there, yes I will. You've got a friend. So yun, after the chorus, balik ulit sa intro, and then verse, same chords ang ginamit, then chorus. So next part is after the second chorus, punta tayo sa bridge. Yung chord na ginamit ko is F. Next is the C. Next chord is G. Next is G major 7. Next chord is C. Next is F major 7. Next is E minor 7 or ganitong E minor. Next is A7. Last chord is D suspended to D7. Okay. Ain't good to know that you got a friend. People can be so cold. They hurt you and desert you. Will they take a fall if you let them? Oh yeah, let's let them. So yan, after ng bridge, balik ulit sa chorus. Same chords ang ginamit. And then after that, yung ending part natin is nasa introduction lang. Just like yung ginawa ko kanina. Okay. So, yun lang mga tolls. And hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko ngayon. And don't forget to click like and subscribe and follow my Facebook page. And if you have some requested songs, you can comment down below. Baka matsambahan ko. So, yun lang. God bless.